because it's indoors too.
Yeah, it was
some
indoors.
Air conditioning, which we needed.
Yeah, indeed. Near record heat once again today. Same old, but not the same old later this week. Now, speaking of August thus far in Albuquerque, the hottest thus far on record. The lowest high temperature so far in the month of August, 91. That is above our average high of 89 degrees. And the highest temperature so far in August, 99 degrees. That is 19 days of above normal high temperatures in Albuquerque. But things will change potentially for some later this week into the weekend with stormier weather. But for today, heat advisories not only for the Albuquerque Metro, but for Chavez County, Roswell, up to 105 today in Albuquerque, up to 100. So if you guys are going to be in these areas, make sure that you're cool and comfortable. It's going to be a very sunny one, by the way. Clear skies right now at the sun porch. We have a great view of downtown Albuquerque. We do notice the light on top of Sandia Peak with great visibility as of now. We've cooled off from 78 this past hour to now 73 degrees right now. A southeasterly wind at 8 miles per hour, 35% relative humidity, but still a relatively mild and dry start, and will likely remain rain-free for most areas southeast of Albuquerque, but some showers this morning moving through the northern mountains near Cuba, Nageezi to the southeast of Farmington, and now moving closer to Red River. These are very light showers, and these showers quickly moving off to the north and east, not amounting to too much. With the very light showers in the northern and western areas, there are also some clouds as well. They're drifting out pretty quickly, courtesy of that monsoon high-pressure system right overhead in east central parts of New Mexico, providing the upper level winds moving the clouds and showers from southwest to northeast. But as that high moves far to the east in the coming days, that's where our weather pattern change will be, really coming from the north and west, moving closer to the south and east. 54 right now in Alamosa, 59 right now in Taos with showers nearby, and we're sitting in the 40s, mid to upper 40s in the highest of elevations. Not as chilly as yesterday morning where we were in the upper 30s in Angel Fire, 67 in Tucumcari. By the way, 66 in Clayton, very humid with dew points in the 60s. So the northeastern corner of our viewing area, pretty humid. That will set the stage for stormier weather as the clouds and showers move eastward. 72 in Alamogordo, 64 with very stagnant weather in Ruidoso. No rain likely for you today. 73 in Albuquerque, 64 Santa Fe, 58 in Durango. We're sitting at 73 at the Truth or Consequences. Near record high temperatures for some of y'all once again this afternoon. Right around 99 in Albuquerque. 100 degrees is that daily record high set back in 2020. And with the sunshine as well as the heat, you're going to want to make sure you wear the sunglasses, protect your skin with suntan lotion, stay cool and comfortable, have the AC on. Please drink plenty of water out there. Speaking of water, in the form of rain, may fall in northern mountain communities. These yellows and reds indicative of some heavy thunderstorms with some hail, strong winds, frequent lightning in addition to the heavy doses of rain. But to the south and the east, generally likely rain-free, courtesy of, again, this high-pressure system overhead building on in, leading to more heat. Again, today, right around 98, 99 in Albuquerque, about 103, 104 in Roswell. High 90s, low triple digits in eastern areas as well as southern areas. Socorro make it to 100 today. 80s and 90s in much of the northern mountain communities, with, though, the chance for storms. Some spotty storms in the Gila National Forest to the Zuni Reservation to the Navajo region. And again, some of those storms may pack a bigger punch. And as this high moves far to the east with more upper level moisture Thursday and Friday of this week, more widespread rain, including Albuquerque, that will start to dampen, thankfully, those high temperatures. I know many of you all are looking forward to that. About 90 today in Durango, lower 80s later this week. 80s today in Pagosa Springs with a chance of storms, but 70s later this week as well as Alamosa, Farmington, 90s today and tomorrow. Low to mid 80s Thursday and Friday, as well as Grants and Cuba. Again, some showers this morning. More likely to see even more rain later this week. Las Cruces, hot for today and tomorrow. Not as hot later this week, as well as Deming and Lordsburg as well. Carlsbad, Hobbs, and Roswell. The cooler trend will be much later this week. For the next few days, we'll actually get even hotter. Several degrees above 100. Ruidoso, upper 80s, rain-free today. Las Vegas, Mora, upper 80s, lower 90s, but cooling off later this week. Raton, watch out for some of the stronger thunderstorms. A marginal risk, a low chance of severe weather. A few storms may be severe. Santa Fe, Angel Fire. We got to watch out for some storms, especially later today, but more likely later this week. The eastern parts of the Sandias, mostly sunny today in the 90s, but from Estancia to Moriarty, will start to really cool off with more humid air from the North Valley to the South Valley, Albuquerque. Look at those temperatures at or close to 100 for the next couple of days, and stormier and lower 90s later this weekend into the weekend. So we'll take the cooler trend as well as the rain.
There you go. Yeah, it's nice to finally see that rain on the horizon there on the 7-day.
Yeah, we really need it, so we'll take the less hot air, but still temperatures above our average high of 89. So we could see every day in August of above normal high temperatures. That is crazy. Again, the hottest August so far on record in Albuquerque. You know, might as well go home. You know, go hard or go home. You know, we should go home with it.
We want to wrap it up now.
Yeah.
Yeah, record's not safe around here. All right, thanks a lot, Ryan.
And as